What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D elements to your designs in Canva. This is very easy. And to do that, you want to click on elements at the left side and scroll down in the different categories shown here. And if you scroll down, you will find 3D. You can click on that. And from here, you have a bunch of different options. You have icons and stickers, you have characters and emojis, food and lifestyle. You also have creatives and abstract and so much more, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to just choose an option right here. Let's choose icons and stickers. You can click and see all, and you can see a bunch of different options available. And of course, you can also search if you want to look for something specific, right? So in this case, I'm going to just find something, generic, right? Doesn't really matter, right? But you will get general idea. So let's say I would like to add this a for example. I can click on it right away. You can see that it adds a 3D sticker onto the design, so you can go ahead and you can scroll through, find something unique, and you can choose basically whatever you want, right? So that's how easy it is, guys, to really add 3D stickers to your designs in Canva. And the cool thing about it is that you can search and you'll be able to find, basically anything you want, right? So you can go ahead and check it out. That's it.